How to post an archived Instagram photo. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to post an archived Instagram photo. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on to the Instagram app itself, please visit your app store or your Play Store to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. If you see an update button, just click on that so you will have the latest features inside the app. Once you have made sure of that, just open up your Instagram app. And from your home page, make sure that you're currently on the profile page, so you can click on this profile icon you have on the bottom right hand corner and you will be at your profile page. And once you're in your profile page, just click on this 3-bar line icon at the top right corner, and immediately you can see the option that says archive. So this is where you can see the archived post you have, and you can also click on this title right here that says posts archive, and you can also browse through your stories archive and your live archive if ever you have once done a live video before. You can also navigate through the stories archive right here and posts archive. So for example, if you want to post an archived Instagram photo, just click on that particular post and tap on this 3-dotted button right here and simply click on show on profile. And you can do the same steps to any of your archived photo. So click on show on profile, and once you navigate back to your profile page, you can already see that page posted on your profile, on your Instagram profile. That is how you can basically post an archived Instagram photo. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.